Well, I feel it makes me more of social because it's something that I engage in with people, wearing the costume outwardly, going around the city, and I kind of can get friends that way too.
Your boy just need to criticize this dude's costume because I definitely don't think this is looking like a dog. To me it looks like one of those villains from the Scooby-Doo television show back in the day. I don't know, man, but it's definitely not giving me the impression that this dude is being a dog. It definitely looks like a ghost or something close to that, but not a dog. A dog is not looking like that. If your dog is looking like that, well, you need to put it down because that's not normal.